Today we are going to do a little review on the S25 Ultra. So I use this for maybe 4 days now, and there is one bigger problem and one small problems. But overall, there's a few good things about this S25 Ultra I want to mention. So I'm going to start off with the good thing first. So before I start, please subscribe to this channel, and I will have a lot of nice videos about new tricks on the One UI 7, One UI 6.1.1, any new updates I will update on this channel here. So make sure you subscribe, and if you feel this very helpful, make sure you share it to your friends, okay? So now I'm going to start off really good things about this S25 Ultra. First of all, if you notice the S25 Ultra, the app drawers, now you can go up and down. So actually it's easier for me to use one hand just to scroll up and down. On the other side, on the side here, you can see you can use letters, okay? So you can jump letter by letter, so instead of scrolling one by one, okay? So this is actually very, very good features. But if you do not like to do this, you can actually go back to the old way, go left and right. But for me, I think up and down is the best way to navigate your apps, okay? This is a really good thing about the Samsung. And second thing is, as you know, if you scroll down, the toggle bar is very, very neat, okay? Pretty neat features because it's a One UI 7, so they have all this new design and everything in here, okay? However, one of the bad thing is on a default One UI 7 is if you scroll down, okay? If you scroll down, you cannot have notifications and toggle bar at the same time. You have to go left and right, okay? So if you actually just scroll down from the bottom, now you have to go left to go get toggle bar, okay? This is really annoying. So you can actually set this up. I will show this to you on the next video, but I think Samsung did a really bad job doing this. So I'm going to show you later how you're going to use this on the next video, okay? However, if you actually want to just say put some toggle bars on the buttons and stuff like that, it's actually much easier now. Just put it in and then press a pencil button, and then you can put everything inside, okay? Very easy, very simple. On the top here, on the battery logos, it changes from from the old style to this new style. If you look at all these let's say this is a calculator, they have a new look already. You can see that, right? So basically it's actually pretty good on these stuff. Camera wise itself is actually pretty good as well too. If you zoom in, you can actually use a very nice quality 12 megapixel to take zooming pictures as well too, which is pretty good. And then as you know, they have log, so now you can use log to actually record video, so your video will be way much nicer and better, okay? So now let's talk about the final thing, okay? The final thing is actually the battery. The battery on this phone is really bad. I make this video right now, it's actually 7:57 a.m., okay? But I actually, we woke up around maybe less than maybe 2 hours, is already 47%. And this is one of the bad thing about Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, is because that the battery, I'm not sure is it One UI 7 or is it S25 Ultra, but they are really bad in battery. I show you the graph, and you can see every single day I have to charge 3 to 4 times a day just to keep this going. And if I go on a trip, this will not last, because it just within 5-6 hours, this phone will be dead. I have to turn on power saving mode to keep it longer and things like that. Even power saving mode, it keeps dropping as well too. But overall, I think you shouldn't think too much. Just try it out. If you think that you need to go upgrade to a new phone, okay? If you don't think you need to upgrade, then don't do it, okay? But don't think too much. Just go get it. If you don't like it, return it, okay? So right now I'm using my carrier, okay, in Canada to actually upgrade this phone. So I'm leasing this phone. After 2 years, I give it back and I get a new one. And this only cost me $30 per month, okay, just leasing this phone. So $30 plus times 24 months, I think it's around maybe $700 or something. but I can use a $2,000 phone for 2 years. I just lease this phone, I don't keep it after 2 years, and then that's it, done. All right, so don't think too much. If you want to have it, just grab it, get it, and just try it out. Okay, this is I'm pretty sure this is going to be changed the battery wise, but this is a very good phone. All right, please subscribe my channel and share this video. And this is the S25 Ultra review, small review after 5 days. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye, peace out.